Are you expecting and searching for an easy and reliable way to calculate weeks of your pregnancy? Then you're in luck, because this tutorial will show you exactly how to calculate weeks of your pregnancy. Keep watching to find out the simplest and most accurate method of calculating weeks of pregnancy. It's important for your health and for the health of your baby to be able to accurately calculate your pregnancy in weeks. Unfortunately, not everybody is an expert when it comes to calculating weeks of pregnancy. So this tutorial is designed to help make it a little easier. To calculate weeks of pregnancy, there are two main methods. The first is to calculate it based on the date of your last menstrual period, and the second is to calculate it based on the results of a prenatal ultrasound. The first method of calculating your pregnancy in weeks is to use the date of your last menstrual period. To determine the date, you should use the first day of your last menstrual period as your starting point. Once you've determined the starting point of your pregnancy, you can count up the number of weeks from that date. For most women, the first trimester, 12 weeks, begins on the first day of their last menstrual period, and then the second trimester, 13 to 27 weeks, and third trimester, 28 to 40 weeks, follow. The second method of calculating your pregnancy in weeks is to use the results of a prenatal ultrasound. In some cases, your doctor may want to confirm the gestational age of your baby using an ultrasound. A technologist will measure certain features of your baby's body, such as head circumference and length, to determine the gestational age. The exact gestational age should be provided to you by the technologist, and you can then use that number to calculate the number of weeks you have been pregnant. It's important to note that the gestational age reported by an ultrasound does not always match the gestational age calculated from your last menstrual period. This is due to the fact that an ultrasound may measure the gestational age slightly differently than the last menstrual period. Therefore, if there is a discrepancy between the two calculations, your doctor may want to confirm the gestational age by doing another ultrasound. No matter which method you use to calculate your pregnancy in weeks, it's important to always consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions about the accuracy of your calculation. Your healthcare provider can give you the most accurate information regarding your specific pregnancy and can guide you to make decisions that are right for you and your baby. So now you know how to calculate weeks of pregnancy, whether you use the date of your last menstrual period or the results of an ultrasound. You now have the information and tools needed to accurately calculate weeks of pregnancy. Be sure to consult your healthcare provider if you need any further assistance or if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and write your valuable comment about this video. Also, you can check out our latest videos.